Hey guys, today on West Mountain Motorsports, we're taking the old Johnson 135 1975 edition.
What's a hood scoop? AutoZone?
Nice hood scoop. This came off of my 15T. We're putting it on Jane's new 1969 15T. Now, as a 85-ish Johnson 110.
I think it's an Evinrude.
Evinrude, they're all the same. It's pretty rough. It's missing a bunch of the lower units.
Leaking
Bad.
all
Just
the fluid.
Get down here. Let's give a listen. This is just, we changed fluid yesterday. I don't know what that is all about, but there's a giant puddle on the ground, so the lower unit's leaking like crazy. We have a known good here. She doesn't leak a drop. She's got tons of upgrades. So
clean.
we're just going to swap, basically.
The plate's probably identical.
The plate is identical. The wiring's the same. Everything should plug and play on this motor.
And we're gonna get the other throttle body the throttle unit.
We're gonna get the separate shifter throttle assembly and put it on this.
I think I'd personally prefer that.
Especially with that one. That one doesn't run nowhere near as good as this one.
God, I need a hat.
Same.
So yeah, we're gonna just hurry in, rip the bolts off this one. Probably use this ratchet strap, lift it up, set the other one down on there.
If you're interested in your top, you got a beautiful motor.
We're just gonna sell it somewhere with some rough lower unit bearings.
Yeah, that 135 will do good on this boat.
Yeah.
Same shaft length.
I do want that prop back though. I want to put that prop on it.
You don't like? Yeah, maybe.
We'll have to see how it
Test
handles.
it. Test
We'll
it
do
with
both.
that, because with the different
We'll do
weights,
both.
actually how it's supposed to.
Well, when it's actually mounted with no drag, I think
No
it'll
drag.
haul
Not
ass.
no drag, but a whole lot less drag. It might be better. So
Yeah.
we'll have to see how it goes.
All right. We're not gonna really bore you with all the details. We're just gonna rip it off and throw
We're
it on.
gonna throw on a time lapse here, right, Jaden?
I don't have a stand for a time lapse.
Yeah, we do. I have one here somewhere.
All right. I guess
Try
we're
to get
doing.
a time lapse going for you guys.
All right. See ya.
Cornbread and chicken.
Oh!
Jump that rig. Road tripping, cut where I come from.
Cornbread and chicken. Where I come from.
Wow! Wow! Jumped it. Jesus.
All right, we're back on the water with our new boat we acquired. It's been sanded a lot. We've been filling holes on the transom. We filled all these holes that were up here from like fish finders and motors and whatever else. We're out here just to give her the final test with the 135. So this came off of his boat, the long shaft. His transom's short, so this one's a long transom. It'll work better with this. We're gonna see how fast she goes. You can give her the beans, no one's out here. This is our oh shit handle for today, the old radio holder.
This boat ain't gonna have a oh shit handle, bro.
I'm gonna have to put one in.
Somehow.
I think I want to fill this and put the radio on my little center console, the bottom of my center console thing. I'm building the center console for this, right here. Yeah, it's glass.
This thing gonna haul some ass on this boat. I can already feel it. This motor.
And it's glass today, baby. This is Utah Lake. We're gonna go faster than we've gone before, I think.
I don't know. We'll see.
I think so. No drag.
No drag. This thing's gonna be nice, man. What if she just spins her ass off?
That's fine. Just let it grab.
It really doesn't captate too bad.
test ran great. The boat did 38 miles an hour, pretty much the same speed as Brocs' boat with the same motor. The next clip is Brocs' boat with the 115 race motor of Dick Davis Marine. We ran it down at our local reservoir. Topped out at 30 miles an hour. We need to work on re-propping it, changing the height of the motor, and getting an RPM gauge wired up. So that's what this clip is. That's the end of the video. Thanks for watching. We're going to have more body work and all kinds of different content coming, so stay tuned.